Singapore's central bank may become the first in the world to put its stamp on some stable coins. That's a type of digital payment token that acts as a bridge between cryptocurrency and real-world money. But first, let's take a closer look at what stablecoin is. Well, think of it as a digital coin pegged to real-world currency. For instance, Tether and USDC are designed to be kept at $1, which keeps them stable. Now, this predictably makes stablecoin especially suitable for cross-border transactions. It's much faster than the usual bank or wire transfers, as funds take mere minutes to move. Now, transaction fees are also lower since funds don't have to go through many third parties to get to the recipient. Now, one analyst says this may be useful for commercial purposes.
Cross-border transactions tend to be expensive, slow, not very transparent, whereas with stablecoins, these could be made much more efficient. So I think when you look at individuals that are sending money internationally, or even more importantly, businesses that are trading in other markets, Singapore being kind of a center of treasury for the region as well, this element is very important.
Other jurisdictions are also looking at regulating stablecoins, such as, Japan, the United Kingdom, and the European Union. Well, the Monetary Authority of Singapore has released its criteria for recognizing stablecoins. Issuers who meet all the requirements can apply for their coins to be labeled as MAS regulated. The central bank wants to consult the public on proposed legislative changes next year. MAS will only consider recognizing stable coins that are pegged to single currencies, and only the Singapore dollar or any group of 10 currencies, which includes the US dollar, British pound, the euro, and Japanese yen. Issuers must also have a reserve assets that the total value of all stable coins in circulation or more. Customers are expected to be able to redeem coins at any time and receive the money within 5 business days.
Governments around the world are very concerned about, does a dollar of USDC, as an example, actually represent a dollar in reserves? And so a lot of the regulation and detail that we've seen from the MAS around this new stablecoin regulation is providing that element of certainty that the money is actually there.